Hi folks, welcome back. Well, as you can see, it's Saturday afternoon, home from work. Got it dropped off the axle stands, wheels back on, and our wing covers and that back on, and my front number plate fitted. So just going to bring it out the garage and see if it drives. As I say, I've never actually driven the car because it was towed here, well it was on a trailer and then pushed into the garage, and it's been on go jacks ever since. So this is its first time turning a wheel under its own power. Sorry about the quality of the sound, but it's blowing a gale in Blackpool today. But yeah, just obviously checking the brakes and stuff, so I just took it up the alley and back down. I said if I go too far it's not MOT'd or anything, so sitting with a dub dog in the back there. He's a van dog. He loves being in the van, but he didn't like that because there's a cage between him and me. But the tail's like a rear wash wipe in it. As I say, sorry about the quality of the sound. It's really blowing a gale, but it sounds sweet. It drives sweet, very smooth. Obviously I've only driven it 500 yards, top of the alley. I'm just going to take it down the alley and turn it round again, and then I'm going to give it a quick wash, blow the cobwebs off it and get all the dust off it, and then put it away for the night, and I'll do the back number plate tomorrow. As I say, I couldn't get to the back number plate because it was parked against the wall basically. So do the back number plate tomorrow and give the inside a clean. But yeah, it's I'm quite pleased with it, to say the least. Sounds really well, as I said, very smooth, very quiet actually, especially for a diesel. It's quite a nice looking little thing. Nice wee toy. Nice wee toy to play about with, I think. Just need to work out how to open the doors with it. Take it there's a button somewhere. It is.
You're not impressed.
Back doors are funky, aren't they? Anyway, somebody didn't like being separated with that the cargo cage. But yeah, as you can hear when it's not in the wind, very smooth, very nice. But as soon as you bring the camera outside, waste of time, you can't hear a bloody thing. Timber off for a wee. But yeah, so pulled it over, parked it, gave it a wash, and now she's back in the garage, tucked away again for the night. So that's it. Had its first drive. Drives really well. As I say, I'll get it booked in for an MOT next week, and I'll let you know how it gets on. Let you know when it's road legal. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the wee video. Thanks for watching, people. Take care out there. Ta-ra.